Time to move on, huh?
Silver, foil,
Retirement?
bucket, whatever.
I've retired, but
Yeah.
when we were building this, I had gotten hurt, and I was able to go down to the garage, sand. I'd get everything ready for them if they had to weld something. I get everything, sand it, grind it, whatever. Then they'd weld it, which made it easier for me and a little less expensive. I did all the stuff.
Yeah. Look at that.
They did a wonderful job.
Interior too.
My wife and I didn't want that. They sell a Ford sells an interior for it, but it's cardboard.
Yeah, definitely some hard work went into this.
We finished it in Pittsburgh here for $1,000. But I haven't driven it, enjoyed it. But I have over 80 in it plus my hours.
Right.
So now I decided to sell it. I was asking 65. He offered me 60, so we'll see.
Oh, yeah.
I knew I was going to lose money, but I don't have something that has a bunch of putty in it.
No.
You know,
No, you don't know putty.
you pay a bunch of money for a car nowadays. You don't know what you're getting.
Yep.
Unless you go along there with one of those magnet things.